If you feel this tension right here in your jaw, you are aging your face 5 years faster. Reach one arm over your head, place your palm gently on the opposite side of your head, gently guide your ear toward your shoulder, creating a soft stretch along the side of your neck. While holding the stretch, look upward toward the opposite corner to engage the eye muscle. Hold for a few breaths and release slowly. Repeat on the other side. It stretching the neck opens the pathways for blood and lymph to flow more freely to your face and eyes. It releasing neck stiffness immediately helps relax the forehead and brow area. Place the pads of your index and middle fingers at the center of your chest, just below the tip of your neck. Apply gentle pressure and then move side to side outward along the length of your collarbone. Repeat the motion several times on one side, then switch hands to perform the same movement on the other side. It clears the lymphatic drainage points in the upper body to help depuff the face and the neck. It helps define the collarbone area by moving stagnant fluid away from the center of the chest. It encourages better circulation, toxin removal, which is essential for achieving a natural glow face. Place the tips of your index and middle fingers together at the base of your throat, right in the center of your collarbones. Apply light, steady pressure. Perform a circular motion in the central spot. Keep the pressure soft. You are aiming to stimulate the fluid just beneath the skin rather than deep muscle. It stimulates primary terminus points where lymphatic fluid from the face drains back into the circulatory system. Press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth, upper palate to engage the muscle under your chin. Use your upper part of your hand, back of your fingers, knuckle to make a contact with the area under your jaw. Gently tap the area under your chin, moving from the center outward toward the side of your jaw. Continue this rhythmic tapping repeatedly. It specifically targets stagnant fluid, loose skin under the chin to reduce sagging. Light tapping motion increases blood flow, encourages skin elasticity. Press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth, upper palate. Place your lower lip over your upper lip to create a firm stretch in the chin and neck area. Gently tilt your head back and direct your gaze upward toward the ceiling. Place both hands flat on your chest collarbone area to anchor the skin and increase the stretch. Hold this position for a few seconds and release and repeat the movement. The tension created by the lip and tongue posture helps define the jaw and reduce the look of a double chin. It directly stretches the platisma muscle to prevent and smooth horizontal neck wrinkles. By anchoring the chest and pulling upward, you create a structural lift that supports the lower cheeks. Gently hold your ear between your thumb and index finger. Massage the ear using a steady circular motion. Perform this one side, then repeat on the other side to ensure balance. Massaging the ears helps release tension in the jaw and temples. It stimulates blood flow to the face for a more vibrant and glowing complexion. It is known to activate relaxation points that help reduce overall stress. Place both hands flat on your upper chest to hold the skin in place. Increase the tension. Gently tilt your head slightly back and direct your gaze upward toward the ceiling. Stick out your tongue as far as comfortably possible to engage the deep neck muscle. Move your tongue from side to side slowly for a few repetitions before releasing. It provides a deep stretch to the platisma muscle, helping to prevent horizontal necklines, encourages lymphatic drainage and muscle toning for a more snatched profile. Engaging the tongue while tilted straightens the muscle under the jaw to reduce sagging. Place your index finger on the corners of your mouth or just above the nasolabial folds to provide light resistance. Open your mouth slightly and press your tongue forward toward your lower lip or teeth to engage lower facial muscles. Try to touch upper lip with your tongue. Try to lift the corners of your mouth into a smile against the pressure of your fingers, then release. Continue this pulsing motion for few repetitions to build muscle tone. It straightens the zygomatic muscles to create a naturally fuller, more lifted cheek appearance. Form a small firm O shape with your mouth to engage the muscle around your lips and jaw. Gently tilt your head slightly backward. Direct your gaze upward toward the ceiling. Place both hands flat on your upper chest, collarbone area to pull the skin slightly downward while maintaining O shape. And tilt and slowly move your head from side to side to stretch the lateral neck muscles. It directly stretches the platisma muscle to smooth out horizontal lines caused by looking down at phones. Place your index and middle fingers vertically along your temple to stabilize the upper face. Insert your thumb into the corners of your mouth, gently pulling them upward. Use your mouth muscle to try and close your lips against the resistance of your thumb while keeping your mouth into an O shape. Hold this tension for a few seconds, release and repeat. Place 3 fingers firmly over your philtrum area, the space between your nose and upper lip, to keep the skin flat and prevent wrinkles from forming during the move. Move your tongue to the left side of your mouth. Use it to push the cheek upward from the inside. Perform this internal pushing motion several times and then switch sides and repeat with the tongue on the right. It provides resistance from the inside to iron out deep nasolabial folds and laugh lines. It straightens the internal cheek muscles to prevent sagging and maintain a youthful plump appearance. Slightly tilt your head to the side to fully expose the length of your neck. Place the fingers of one hand firmly on your collarbone to provide support and place the fingers of your other hand just under your jawline at the top of the neck. Apply light steady pressure in this position. Hold for a few seconds one side, then switch hands. Repeat on the other side for a balanced routine. The dual hand placement creates tension that helps define the jawline, leave the neck area. Place both hands flat across your upper chest, interlocking your fingers to hold the skin firmly in a place. Gently tilt your head back and look upward toward the ceiling. While holding this position, stick out your tongue as far as you can toward the ceiling. Maintain this deep stretch for a few seconds, feeling the tension from your chin down to your chest, then release, sticking the tongue out while looking up. Engage the deep submental muscle to eliminate sagging. It provides the maximum possible stretch to the platisma muscle to iron out horizontal throat lines. Place the palms of your both hands firmly against your cheeks to provide external resistance to keep the skin smooth. Press your tongue firmly against the inside of your cheek. Move it in a slow up and down motion. Ensure your hands are pushing inward slightly so your tongue has to work against the pressure. Complete several vertical passes on one side and switch on the other side. It provides internal resistance to smooth out deep nasolabial folds from the nose to the mouth. Place 2 fingers, index and middle, on both sides of your face, specifically at the corners of your mouth or just along the smile lines. Apply gentle steady pressure. Perform small circular motion over the area. Use both hands to perform this simultaneously on each side of your face. The circular massage increases blood flow to the mid-face, encouraging a healthy glow. Regular stimulation to this area helps keep the skin around the mouth firm and supple. Open your mouth wide into a relaxed vertical oval shape. While keeping your mouth open, move your tongue backward toward the throat as far as comfortably possible. Pulse the tongue backward and forward a few times, feeling the muscles deep under your jaw contract with each move. Specifically target the deep muscle that support the floor of the mouth to reduce sagging under the chin. Place your thumbs firmly on your temple just as the outer edge of your eyebrow. Place your other hand on the back of your head and neck to stabilize posture. Apply firm pressure with your thumb. Move it upward motion. It's stimulating the temple area, helps lift the brow, open up the eye area, reduces the appearance of fine lines at the outer corner of the eyes, releasing muscle tension. Place your thumb below your ear and your index finger in front of ear. near jaw joint. Apply gentle pressure, perform upward motion with both fingers simultaneously, and complete one side and repeat on the other side to ensure balance. Relaxation. Massaging this specific area helps release tension in the masseter muscle, which can make the face look wider or more stressed. It stimulates lymph nodes located around the ears to help drain fluid and reduce facial puffiness. Form a hook with your index finger. Place it firmly against the joint where your jaw meets your ear. Open your mouth into relaxed vertical O shape to stretch the facial muscles. Apply firm pressure with your finger and perform deep massage upward pulses in the specific spot. You can repeat on the other side to balance facial symmetry. It helps reduce muscle bulk in the jaw area caused by clenching, leading to a slimmer, more V-shaped face. Form a loose fist and place your thumb firmly under your chin to provide upward resistance. Apply steady pressure with your hand while you slowly tilt your head back as far as you comfortably possible. Gently move your head back to the starting neutral position while maintaining the pressure. Straighten neck muscles and target the muscle that define the jawline. Form two fists. Place them firmly together directly under your chin to provide strong upward resistance while maintaining the pressure from your fist. Slowly open your mouth wide and gently close. Open your mouth against the resistance of your hand. Press your tongue firmly on the roof of your mouth. The heavy resistance from both hands forces the jaw muscle to work harder, leading to a sharper, more defined jawline. Take a sip of water, fill your mouth until your cheeks are fully puffed out. Hold the water in your mouth for several seconds, maintaining firm pressure against the inside of your cheeks. Release the water or swallow and relax your facial muscles. Repeat this process several times to ensure the muscles are fully engaged. The internal pressure of the water acts as a natural weight, straightening the cheek muscles for a fuller appearance. Helps iron out nasolabial folds by stretching the skin muscle from within. Place the tip or side of your index finger firmly in the center of the area directly under your chin. Apply steady upward pressure. Perform small upward massage motion in the specific spot. Continue this upward massage for a few repetitions to ensure the deep tissue are fully engaged. The targeted upward pressure helps firm the skin and muscle that causes a soft sagging chin area. It helps define the V line of your face. Place index finger below your earlobe and middle finger on your jaw point and apply firm steady pressure. Perform small upward massage motion in that specific area. Ensure you are pushing the tissue slightly upward. It target key points where we hold trace, helping to soften your overall expression for a more youthful look. By clearing tension around the ear or jaw joint, you help reveal a sharper and defined side profile. I want to pause here for a second because I know why many of you are here. Sometimes life gives us what we don't want and holds back what we truly desire. That frustration turns into anger and that anger turns into deep-rooted stress. We see it in the mirror every morning. It shows up as acne, dark spot, puffiness and those early wrinkles that weren't there before. Our faces are simply a map of our emotions. That is why we do this. We don't just do body yoga to stay fit. We do face yoga, face massage, face exercise every single day to release the anger tension we hold in our jaws and eyebrows. When we move our muscles, we are telling our stress it no longer has a home here. To see real changes, we must show up for ourselves every day. Let's breathe out that disappointment and continue our glow together. Calmly grip the thick tissue of your cheek using both hands. Apply deep pressure. Glide your fingers across the center of the cheek area. Do this targeted glide on both sides several times. It leaves sagging cheeks, adds natural volume to the mid-face. Stimulating deeper tissue layers helps the muscles stay firm and lifted against gravity. This movement brings fresh oxygenated blood to the surface to help fade dark spot over time. Extend one arm forward and use your opposite hand to grab the finger. Gently pull your finger back toward your wrist, feeling the stretch throughout the palm and the forearm. Hold for a few seconds, then switch and repeat on the other hand to ensure both hands are relaxed. It relieves the cramping and tension that can build up in the fingers and palms during a long holding of your phone. Extend one arm straight out in front of you at a shoulder height. Use your opposite hand to gently press down on the back of your extended hand, folding your wrist downward toward the floor. Keep your elbows straight to feel the stretch along the top of your forearm and through the wrist. Hold for a few breaths and switch and repeat on both hands to balance the tension. It counteracts the repetitive strain from using smartphone and performing manual facial massages.